Solving multi-step equations. Coefficient of a variable term is the constant factor of the term. Examples. We have 3x, x, and negative x. What are the constants? Do notice, coefficient of a variable term is the constant factor of the term, meaning the number in front of the variable. You may not always see a number though. So we have a negative 3x, x, how many x's are there? And negative x, how many x's are we missing? Let's start with negative 3x. Well, negative 3x, we can split it up into its coefficient, in other words, the negative 3, it's the number in front of the variable. And its variable, which is the x. X is the variable, negative 3 is the coefficient, in other words, the number in front of the variable. X is the next example. Well, how many x's do we have there? We have a box of oranges, right? For example, the fact that we have a box of oranges means we have one box, or in this case, 1x. So likewise, we can put a 1 in front of the x to represent we have 1x. So the 1 is the coefficient, and x is the variable. So do keep in mind, we may not always need to see a number on there, at least for the 1. Okay, so how about negative x in this case? What number can you put? Well, we can make it a negative 1x, agreed. We're missing one box of oranges as a reference. If it helps, go ahead and use it. So, in other words, negative 1x. So negative 1 is the coefficient, and x is the variable. So, those are the coefficients of a variable.